Artificial intelligence isn't just changing how we work, it's creating entirely new careers we've never seen before. From prompt engineers to AI ethicists and even ad-powered creatives, jobs are emerging that didn't exist just a few years ago. These roles combine human skills with smart technology, opening exciting opportunities across industries. In this article, we'll explain, in simple terms, the new careers born from AI, what they involve, and how they're shaping the future of work. Today, we will talk about new careers emerging thanks to AI, explained simply. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Prompt engineer. This is one of the newest and most talked about AI jobs. A prompt engineer works with large language models like ChatGPT to get the best possible results by carefully crafting the right inputs, or prompts. Think of it like asking a genie for a wish. The clearer and smarter your question, the better your answer. Prompt engineers test different ways of asking the AI to do things like write stories, generate code, or answer complex questions. While it sounds simple, it requires a good understanding of how AI works, a sharp eye for detail, and strong writing and communication skills. AI trainer/data annotator. AI doesn't learn on its own. It needs data, a lot of it. And that data has to be labeled so the AI knows what it's looking at. That's where AI trainers and data annotators come in. These professionals help prepare the data that trains AI models. For example, if an AI is learning to recognize cats in images, someone has to go through thousands of pictures and label which ones have cats and where they are. In medical AI, this might mean labeling X-rays to show signs of disease. Though this job is sometimes entry-level, it plays a crucial role in building accurate and trustworthy AI systems. AI ethicist/responsible AI officer. With AI becoming more powerful, we also need to make sure it's fair, safe, and doesn't cause harm. AI ethicists are people who focus on the moral and social impact of artificial intelligence. They help companies make sure their AI systems aren't biased or discriminatory, and that they respect privacy and human rights. They'd often work closely with developers, legal teams, and even governments to create rules and guidelines for using AI responsibly. This job requires a mix of skills in technology, philosophy, law, and public policy. And it's becoming more important as AI is used in areas like hiring, policing, or lending. AI product manager. AI product managers are the bridge between technical teams and business teams. Their job is to create products that use AI in smart and useful ways. They decide what kind of AI features are needed, help plan how those features are built, and make sure the end product actually solves the user's problem. For example, they might oversee the creation of an AI-powered shopping assistant or a healthcare chatbot. This role requires both technical understanding, to work with developers, and business sense, to build products that people want. Strong communication and organization skills are key in this role. Machine learning engineer. While this is a more technical job, it's one of the most in-demand careers in the AI world. A machine learning engineer builds the actual systems that learn from data. They choose the right algorithms, train models, and make sure everything runs smoothly. Their work powers things like recommendation engines, Netflix or YouTube, fraud detection in banking, and even language translation apps. This role typically requires a background in computer science or math and knowledge of programming languages like Python. As companies rely more on data and automation, the demand for machine learning engineers continues to grow rapidly. Conversational AI designer. If you've ever chatted with a customer service bot, you've seen conversational AI in action. Behind that chatbot is someone who designed how the conversation flows. A conversational AI designer creates scripts, responses, and pathways that make chatbots and voice assistants feel natural and helpful. This job requires skills in writing, psychology, and user experience (UX) design. Designers must understand how people talk and think so they can build AI that feels human-like and intuitive. As more companies use AI to talk to customers, this job is becoming more common. AI forensics analyst. This is a newer, highly specialized role focused on investigating AI behavior, especially when something goes wrong. If an AI system makes a bad decision, say wrongly denies someone a loan or makes an incorrect medical recommendation, an AI forensics analyst helps figure out why. They dig into the data and algorithms to understand the logic behind the AI's decision. This job is especially important in industries like finance, insurance, healthcare, and law, where decisions can have serious consequences. It's a mix of detective work, data analysis, and ethical responsibility. Robotics and technician. In factories, warehouses, hospitals, and even farms, robots powered by AI are becoming more common. Robotics and technicians are the people who keep these smart machines running. They install, program, and repair robots that use computer vision, motion sensors, and machine learning to perform tasks. Unlike traditional mechanical technicians, these professionals must understand how both hardware and AI software work together. It's a great job for people interested in hands-on work and new technology, and it doesn't always require a university degree. Many technical schools offer training. At business strategist/consultant, companies want to use AI, but many don't know how to start. That's where AI business strategists or consultants come in. These professionals help businesses figure out how to use AI to improve their operations, save money, or create new products. They analyze the company's needs, recommend the right AI tools, and guide them through the adoption process. This job is a great fit for people who understand both business and technology. Consultants also help ensure that AI adoption is ethical, practical, and beneficial for both the company and its customers. AI-enhanced creatives, writers, artists, musicians. AI isn't just for tech jobs, it's also changing how creative professionals work. Many writers, designers, musicians, and video editors are now using AI tools to speed up their process, generate ideas, or create new types of content. For example, a graphic designer might use AI to quickly generate different logo styles, or a writer might use AI to outline articles faster. While AI doesn't replace creativity, it does enhance it, making it easier for artists to experiment and work more efficiently. This is leading to a new type of creative professional, the AI-powered artist, someone who combines human imagination with machine intelligence. Synthetic data engineer. AI needs data to learn, but in some cases, collecting real data can be expensive, slow, or violate privacy rules. That's where synthetic data comes in. Data that's made by computers to simulate real-world information. Synthetic data engineers build these artificial datasets to help train AI models safely and efficiently. This is especially useful in healthcare, finance, and autonomous driving, where privacy and safety are major concerns. It's a technical job requiring knowledge of statistics, simulations, and AI modeling. AI legal advisor/tech policy expert. With AI moving into more areas of society, governments and companies need help creating laws and policies to manage it. AI legal advisors specialize in understanding how AI fits into the law, including data privacy, intellectual property, discrimination, and liability. Tech policy experts go even further, helping shape government rules around AI to ensure it benefits society. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.